So this is the beacon for Chinese satellite, amateur radio satellite, XW2F, and it's actually having a pass right now over, a little far, but close to Montreal. I'll show you here what's the path. So Montreal is written there on the map. You could see the 2F is right here. Where's my mouse pointer? There's another one, Chinese 2C right here. Now they're not having the best pass, but the next one will be much better and more into North America. I'm expecting to maybe have something to listen to other than just the beacon. So there's the beacon. This is Morse code with identification of the satellite, but just above it there are some amateur radio signals that could appear here, because this satellite and the series of satellite that we have here are have a linear transponder, what they call. So amateur radio operators actually will send up in single sideband in the 70 centimeter 435 megahertz range, and typically the downlink or the frequency you'll listen or hear them is in the 2 meter band just above the beacon in a 20 kilohertz wide range. So I'm hoping that the next pass, that will be of course much better, will actually give me some possibilities of listening to the amateur radios having contact. But one of the cool things that you can do if you don't hear contacts, you can make sure you hear the satellite simply by tuning into the beacon. If you hear the Morse code of the beacon, you know you're within range of the satellite. You know you're capable of listening to contacts that are made through the satellite by amateur radio operators. So this is something to look for. And these are a set of satellites. I mean, there's XW2A, 2B, 2C, 2D, 2E, and 2F. And they typically, a lot of them follow each other. So it's kind of fun to listen to all of that as they pass overhead. So I hope you enjoyed this series of videos. I'll probably post more today on December 4th on different satellites. There's a lot of stuff happening. So this is my tracking right now. This is the software on Linux called G-Predict. But you can use Orbitron in the PC side, which is a great piece of software. You can also track them online. There's a couple of websites that actually track satellites online. The important thing to know is when it's over your area. So you see the tracking, this is the zone of the signal being received, the possibility of being received. And I'm in it because Montreal's right there, so that's why I know I can listen to it. So hoping to get more than just a beacon in the next pass. I think it's going to be pretty cool to check it out. So this is the beacon of XW2F, which is slowly moving away in the satellites, and we'll have a next pass soon, so it's going to be interesting to see. Let's check it out. There's XW2C also. Its beacon is around 770, 790. Let's check it out if I can hear the other one. Do I hear a beacon here? Here we go. This is the other one. This is 2C. So I was listening to the beacon from 2F, and because 2C is also here, that's the beacon from 2C, and just above it there could be some contacts in single sideband, but nothing right now. In the weekdays, these satellites are a little bit difficult to really get some activity. They're much more popular in the weekends, but it's really a lot of fun to listen to. And of course, you need single sideband on your receivers in order to receive these. So this one is another Chinese XW2C that you're receiving right now.